Hi, in this series of videos, we are going to be looking at functions. Now, functions are the second most important topic in mathematics, second to only algebra. Functions are able to take various forms, therefore we are able to apply them in various fields. Just to name a few, we have finance, robotics, science and engineering, medicine, and administration. Yes, administration. Just ask those in administration about Excel. In Excel, if you do not know how to use functions, you'll find yourself with a headache and spending the whole day or 2 days on one single task that could have been finished in 15 minutes. Therefore, employers are always looking for people who know how to use Excel. Also, we have marketing. In marketing, a quick view of functions and their application is in when you Google a particular item, let's say an oven. And then you close Google, go to your social media page. As you scroll down, you'll start seeing ads that have to do with what you Googled. This is a use of a function. You put an input, which is the Google search, and then we give you an output, which is an ad that has to do with what you searched for. Now, what is the overall view of functions that we need to know? Because functions, it's not always the mathematics way of doing it where we need to generate the function that is suitable for something, but it's more about knowing how to use functions. So it's more about understanding that functions have to deal with you put something into a system or into a software and then you get something out. In baking, you put ingredients into an oven and then you get whatever cake or biscuit that you need to get. If you put the wrong ingredients or in wrong conditions, the function will do its job, but the problem is that you'll get an output that is not what you were looking for or expecting, such that maybe you get a biscuit that is very difficult to bite into. Anyways, we will try to make it as practical as possible. However, the content that will be covered is content for grade 7s all the way to grade 12s, such that we will have linear functions, exponential functions, quadratic functions, hyperbolic, trigonometric, and cubic. For caps, cubic will only be for grade 12. However, in some IEP schools, they are seen a bit earlier, which we will talk about. So some videos will be suitable for grade 12 as well as grade 11 IEP. Thank you.